Hey guys, what it is with Mikey? We're live in Park City, Utah. Yes, that's right, the site of a lot of the competitions for the 2002 Olympic Winter Games. No big deal, of course. We're by the wife's parents' house. Show you around the area, get a little panoramic view of the mountain over there. And you can also see the park where we come and look for frickin' Easter eggs every year. And I'll show you that. Around here, beautiful, beautiful area. So, we're the family party. Mr. Do, otherwise known as Queezman Do, pushing the boys on the little plastic wheel joint. As you can see right there, the chaos is ensuing as time goes on. We might actually get some rain, and we have a lot of wind going on right now. So, want to give you guys, while we're here, move away a little bit from all the craziness, a little update on my mental status. I'm definitely dropping more into depression every minute of every day. Been very tired today. Lack of energy. I am coming down so very slowly. It's a very slow process, but I am moving down the depression trail. Unfortunately, I can feel it every minute. Like I said, my thought processes are slowing way down. Where with mania, you're thinking 1,000 things a minute. I am starting to have to really struggle to think of things to say in conversations and such. So my social situation is taking a hit already, and I know it'll only get worse. So we're having the party tonight. I just ducked out down here to get away from the social interaction, basically, which really sucks because I hate when I get this way. So I'm looking like I'm trending downward. So with that in mind, we're just gonna have to see what goes down. Halloween things could be, not quite going on, but the most important thing that I want to do with my streak right now, I know it's a Halloween streak, the most important thing I want to do is document this fall from mania to depression, so people can see, if they want, on a day-by-day case basis, how somebody goes from up to down. And if you watch all these, you will learn that what most people that don't really know think a bipolar person is you go from mania to depression in a minute and back and forth, which, as you see here, in reality, it takes days and weeks, and hopefully at least a month. I want to get to Halloween before I'm totally down and out. So I'm hopeful, I'm optimistic. Maybe I'm going to plateau. That's the hope, that I'll level out and have some neutrality for at least a month here. So it is what it is, and I've dealt with it for a long time, and I'll deal with it for a long time down the road. But at this point, I just do the best I can and try to be happy, try to do the best, and carry on, like Kansas says, carry on my wayward son. So that's what I'm all about right now. Live from Park City. What it is right now, when you see this, will be what it was. What it is right now is live from Park City, and I'm going to sign out for a chill Sunday. Hope you enjoyed the beauty of the park. It's a beautiful place up here. The wife is from this area, and I'm a lucky ducky to be able to come up here. And the in-laws are cool, so it's a good day. Let's just hope it's good for a little longer. Ciao.